Hello everyone, my name is Derek Grant and I'm the chairperson of the Vancouver School Board Archives and Heritage Committee. I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about the history of Strathcona Elementary School. The school opened in March 1891. It was named East School and contained 8 classrooms. It was considered a state-of-the-art school because it was heated by hot water and lighted by electricity. It served for 29 years until 1920, when the building was torn down. The bricks were used in the construction of one of the buildings you can see on site today. In 1909, the school's name was changed to Lord Strathcona School in honor of Donald Smith, later to be known as Lord Strathcona. Smith is remembered as the person who drove the last spike to complete Canada's first Trans-Canada Railway. Now, for many years, pupils were summoned to classes by a steel triangle that hung outside the main door to the school. The triangle also served as a fire alarm. Mr. Tom, one of the early principals of the school, was against girls playing sports. He said it was boisterous, undignified, and unladylike for girls to be running around in breeches like a lot of boys. Mr. Tom was also a strong believer in corporal punishment, a practice that continued in BC until 1971. In the 1890s, during warmer months, boys would tear down Jackson Street for a plunge into False Creek. This would have been the eastern stretch of False Creek that was later filled in to provide building space for light industry. Enrollment at Strathcona School reached an all-time peak in 1937 with 1,470 pupils. In 1940, the school had approximately 650 Japanese, 300 Chinese, 150 Italian, about 150 Yugoslavian, Ukrainian, and Polish, and about 100 of English, Irish, and Scottish descent, several East Indian children, and the remainder from various European countries. By 1961, more than 80% of the school's population was of Chinese ancestry. Strathcona School recently went through a seismic upgrade to ensure that the school building could survive a major earthquake. Thank you for listening.